Vanilla. I'm studying in Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering and I am from first year, second sem. And my subject today is Introduction to Civil Engineering. And my topic about it is Introduction to Scopes of Different Types or Fields of Civil Engineering. Introduction to Scopes of Different Types of Civil Engineering. Here you can see in the figure there are so many types: the structural engineering, environmental engineering, transportation engineering, geotechnical engineering, construction engineering and management, water resources and hydrolysis. Here in brief I am going to explain about structural engineering, which involves designing and analyzing structures to ensure their safety and ability. Geotechnical engineer focuses mainly on the behavior of soil and rocks to design foundations, slopes and earthworks. Transportation engineering deals with planning, designing and maintenance of transportation systems like roads and highways and railways. Scopes of structural engineering: designing and analyzing buildings, bridges and other structures withstand various loads and forces. Conducting structural inspections and assessments to ensure the safety and integrity of existing structures. Collaborative and architects and contracts to develop innovative and cost-effective structural solutions. Here I have given the figure as earthquake resistance building. You can see the resistant building. Here it has cross bracing, shock absorbers, shear walls, reinforce walls using two steels, shear walls, concrete walls with steel bars in them to reduce shock rocking movements, and then shock absorbers is those which are located in the base isolators which absorb tremors of earthquake. These are very necessary if you are building a building for any of the engineering purpose. For civil engineering, very important. Scopes of geotechnical engineering: evaluating soil and rock properties to determine their sustainability for construction projects, designing foundations and retaining structures to support the weight of building and infrastructure, assessing mitigating the risks of landslide, soil erosions, and other geotechnical hazards. Engineering: planning, designing, and transportation networks to optimize the traffic flow and improve connectivity, conducting traffic studies and simulations to enhance safety and enhance efficiency on roads and highways, developing sustainable transportation solutions such as public transit system and bike lanes. Scopes of environmental engineering in civil: assessing and managing the impact and construction project on the environment, designing and implementing water waste treatment systems to project and protect water resources, development sustainable and eco-friendly infrastructure solutions to minimize environmental footprint. Scopes of water resources engineering: designing and managing water supply and distribution systems for cities and communications. Water supply distribution is very important. Here you can see in the picture there is a treatment plant and the storage tank and the main where it pumps the valves according to located variety, and distribution of system is done equally. Conducting flood risk assessments and developing flood control measures, planning and designing dams, reservoirs, and irrigation systems to optimize water usage. Construction engineering: managing construction projects including scheduling, budgeting, and quality control, overseeing the implementation of design plannings and ensuring compliance with building codes and regulations, coordinating with contractors, subcontractors, and suppliers to ensure smooth execution. Here you can see the traditional view of project management. There is project selection, project initiation, project planning, scheduling, monitoring and control, completion and closeout. Under project initiation, here comes project character, scope statement. Under project planning comes work breakdown structure, organization breakdown structure, risk management, subcontracting and bidding processes. Under scheduling comes time schedule and project budget. Under monitoring and control comes cost control, merits and change orders, milestone reports. Scopes of coastal engineering: Design and construction coastal protection structures to mitigate erosion and storm damage. Assessing and managing the impact of climate change on coastal areas and developing adaptation strategies. Planning and designing ports, harbors, and offshore structures to facilitate maritime activities. Scopes of urban planning and civil engineering. Developing comprehensive land use plans to guide the growth and development of cities and regions. Designing sustainable, livable urban spaces, including parks, plazas, and pedestrian friendly areas. Evaluating and implementing smart city technologies to improve urban and quality life. Here you can see there is CLUP, that is Comprehensive Land Use Plan, which was implemented very fast. Here I conclude my topic, and here I'm going to explain about the conclusion also. Civil engineering encompasses various fields, each with such distinct scope and responsibilities. The diverse scope of civil engineering contribute to the planning, designing, structure, and maintenance of the infrastructures that support society's needs. The continuous advancements in technology and sustainability drive an evolution of civil engineering scopes. The role of civil engineers are: civil engineer is one who designs and maintains the work for public utilities. There are rules and maintenance and duties of civil engineers. Civil engineer main role is to surviving, planning, designing, estimation, execution of structures like buildings, roads, bridges, railways, ports, airports, dams, canals, water waste, water treatments, plants, water distribution network, and sewage system. To use scientific and engineering principles for solution for different engineering problems. To solve different engineering problems with the help of field experience, laboratory techniques, mathematical models using computers, information technologies to implement management techniques for better management of man, material, machines, and money. For references, what is civil engineering, National Society of Professions, you can visit these website, types of civil engineering, specializations, say study.com, study whatever the website given, fields of civil engineering, the Institution of Civil Engineers. And here I conclude my speech and the channel and the topic today. Thank you so much.